Alright guys, so while we got this tractor here, I've decided that we're going to do a little bit of gardening, or at least a little bit of prepping for the gardening for next year. And what we're going to tap into is a little bit of Hugelkultur. Hugelkultur. What is Hugelkultur, you ask? Well, I'm not really sure. But what I do know is what we need to do it. So what we're going to do while we have this equipment here is we're going to dig a big pit. And then we're going to fill that pit with a bunch of this stuff. We got all these trees, some of it's dead, some of it's alive. We got a bunch of organic matter that we're going to stack up and we're going to put in it. Then we're going to take all the dirt that we had and we're going to put it all back on top. We're going to put root balls in there, chunks of wood, live trees, dead trees. We're going to stick it all in this gigantic mound, and then starting next spring we'll be able to plant some seeds. And basically your garden is going to grow on a big mound, a big organic mound. So while we're doing this, I'm showing you guys our projects with the land, but we're going to start this right back here. Now get up here so you guys can see it. So we're going to go through here. Now where we're at on the farm, to the left is our pigs. Right back there is the chicken coop. So this is a great spot to have a little garden area. For one, it gets all of the sun all day long, all of the sun. For two, every single one of these trees in here is dead. They're all beetle killed, so we're gonna get rid of them. They're not doing anything. We're gonna open up this area. We're gonna dig us a nice pit. We're gonna fill in a bunch of these trees, get some stuff from all around, fill it up and get going. So you guys are gonna see us go in here and start it from the very beginning. Now this is a slow process. This isn't something that's gonna be done here in a couple weeks. This is going to take a year to get done, but we're going to keep you guys up to date on it. It'll be a fun project. It'll be cool to see how this works. We've had people out here and they told me, this is the way you got to do it. You got to try this. You'll have great results. I've been out to their place and I've seen what they've got going on. It sounded like they yield quite a bit of growth. So we're going to try it out. I don't see anyone else doing this kind of stuff on YouTube. At least in the, the homesteading shows that I'm watching, the gardening shows that I'm watching, I'm not seeing this concept anywhere. So I think this will be really cool to expose everybody to. It'll be a great opportunity to see if it works. It'll be a great opportunity to see if it works better than conventional gardening. So next year, starting in the spring, we are going to focus greatly on gardening and putting up tons of food for the year, and really just kind of, perfect our green thumb. So this is going to be part of the gardening. We're going to do some Hugelkultur. So here we go, guys. Hang on while we clear some land. Who, Dixie? Alright guys, so there it is. There's our little pit. I think this is going to be good enough. The ground is starting to pack in pretty good. I know this thing won't be digging too much deeper anyway. So the sun is starting to go down. We got a little bit more time. So basically what I'm going to do is now start getting different angles to get all this debris right back into the hole. And I'm going to try and lay it all the same way. I'll get back up behind all those, knock them down into here, and get them all stacked up. And we'll get a big old pile of debris and organic matter, and then we'll get to burying it as well. And then that's just going to be the start of our new composting, Hugelkultur, Hugel mound, hippie gardening. So that's what we're getting at.